Hello. If you are watching this video, then congratulations. Your science teacher thinks you have what it takes to compete in the Science Cup. You may be wondering, what is the Science Cup? Well, this video is going to explain what is the Science Cup, the details of each event and how the events will be judged, and finally this video will describe how your school can win the Science Cup. Let's get started. The Science Cup is an inter-district science and engineering competition held annually at the Whittier Union High School District Center. All 5 schools compete in the Science Cup in 5 events: the Mousetrap Car, the Separation Challenge, the Balsa Wood Bridge Challenge, the Rube Goldberg Machine, the Robot Coding Challenge, and the Science Trivia Bowl. Each school brings a team of up to 20 members, broken into 4 teams of 3 to 5 students each. Each team will compete in at least 2 of the 6 events. Now that you know what the Science Cup is, let's describe the events. The Mousetrap Car. In the Mousetrap Car event, each team will have approximately 1 hour to build a car that runs off of the energy released by a small mousetrap. Each team will be given the same items to build their cars. Each school will have an area that they can test their cars in to see if it works and if there are any possible improvements needed. When the hour is up, cars will be tested to see which car can go the furthest using the energy of the small mousetrap. Be careful! The distance the teachers will measure is the distance of the measuring tape pulled perpendicular to the starting line. Any sideways distance covered by a car will not count towards your final score. The Separation Challenge. In the Separation Challenge, your team will have to separate the components of a mixture of sand, cork, iron, and salt, trying to recover as much as possible of each pure substance. The team that recovers the highest percentage of the original amount of the sand, cork, and iron and salt wins. Be careful, if you use water to help separate your mixture, the samples must be dry. Balsa Wood Bridge. In the Balsa Wood Bridge, you have to build the strongest bridge possible while using the least amount of materials possible. You will only be given balsa wood strips and glue. The bridge will be tested by a wooden block placed down the center section of the bridge, and a screw attached will pull the block down until the bridge breaks. If your final score will involve dividing the total force used to break the bridge by the total mass of the bridge, the highest ratio wins. Rube Goldberg Machine. A Rube Goldberg machine is a machine that goes through many complicated steps to accomplish a simple action, in this case, ringing a bell. Your school will bring a box of materials and a team of 10 students will be given 90 minutes to construct the machine. The machine that works the best and has the most steps will get the highest score. But make sure it's impressive because your fellow competitors will be judging it as well. Robot Coding Challenge. In the Robot Coding Challenge, you will build a robot and then program it to follow a path. Your robot will need to follow the 3-inch wide duct tape course, stay on the line to avoid deductions, and pop the balloon at the end. If you want to learn more about robots and coding for this event, a course through Xbox will be starting soon, so make sure to ask your science teacher for more information. Science Trivia Bowl. In the Science Trivia Bowl, a team of 5 students will compete in 4 rounds of head-to-head game show style science trivia contests. The teams will buzz in to answer science questions read out loud by the moderator. At the end of the day, the first, second, and third place score holders for all the events will be awarded ribbons. The Science Cup, though, will be awarded to the school whose total ranking scores add up to the lowest number. The school will hold on to the trophy until next year, where the schools will compete again for who gets to take it home. To sign up, Ask your science teacher or look for the Science Cup digital flyer in your science class's Google Classroom. Click on the link in the flyer to go to the website where you can sign up for the Science Cup.